everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is your favorite girl Anastasia, and your girl is back again with another hair video. You guys, I am so excited for today's video because this miracle crochet hair is just like, this hair is so beautiful, guys. Just look at how it is. You guys, can you see? Guys, can you see how beautiful this looks like? Can you see the extensions? Oh my god, this is so pretty. And ELFIN Hair sent me 2 packs of their Burmese coily feather crochet hair for me to install for you guys. So today's video is sponsored by ELFIN Hair. Thank you, ELFIN Hair, for sending me this beautiful feather crochet hair. You guys, this is so pretty, and this is in the length 20 inches. So this is in the length 20 inches. It is so beautiful. If you guys want to see how I was able to install this hair, how I was able to do this miracle knots hairstyle, then you need to keep on watching. Remember to give my video a huge thumbs up. Without wasting any time, let us dive right into this video.
Okay guys, like I mentioned earlier, today's video is sponsored by ELFIN Hair, and they sent me all these goodies: wig cap, crochet pin, and edge brush, and also a hair bonnet. And this is the hair, you guys. This is the Burmese coily hair, you guys. It is so cute, and they sent me 2 packs, and I went to the salon to get my hair done. So you guys are going to see the braiding pattern of my hair. I did like box braids at the base of my head. This is it. This is how it looks like. This is to ensure that when you want to do like an updo hairstyle, like, it is going to be seamless. And I also went ahead to just do like a cornrow in the center of my head. This is going to make the whole process really fast. So this is how it looks like. You can as well go ahead and do the braid your hair in this pattern all over your head, but to save some time, this is how I did mine. And you guys, it came out so beautiful. And this is how to attach the feather crochet hair into your natural hair. You guys, you do not need any attachments for this. This is going to save you some money. Instead of buying attachments, just do your hair like this. And she added the feather crochet hair to the ends of my natural hair and plaited it. And you guys, this is how it came out. It is so beautiful. I love this hairstyle so much. Like, I am never ever going to use an attachment anymore. I'm just going to use my natural hair and go in with this feather crochet hair. Like, this crochet hair, it is giving what it is supposed to give. This is the finished look. It is so beautiful.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look of the hair. What do you guys think about this hair? You guys, this Burmese coily hair, you guys, Burmese coil is one of my favorite coil patterns ever. And you guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. I just got back from the salon like an hour ago, and this is how the hair is looking like, straight out of the box. This is how it is looking like. It is so cute. Guys, can you see? I did like a box braid thingy. You guys can see how beautiful and neat this looks like. This style is one style that you guys need to do. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my spray bottle with water and also my mousse, because this hair, you guys, it is quite fussy right now. So I need to use my spray bottle with water so that I can tame the curls down and define the curls a little bit. Okay, so that is what we're going to be doing right now. This is pretty simple. Hi guys, so this is how the hair is looking like after using my water and my mousse. You guys can see that the curls are pretty defined right now. Like, you guys, this hair is so pretty. Like, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with this hair. So I would love to do different styling for you guys, updo, you know, different ways you can style your feather crochet hair basically. All right, so let's get into that. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And ELFIN hair, thank you for sending me this beautiful Burmese curly feather crochet hair. You guys are the absolute best. I am in love with this hair. And you guys, make sure you get your Burmese curly feather crochet hair from ELFIN hair. All the details of this hair is going to be in my description box. The link is going to be there. Make sure you click that link and buy your own beautiful feather crochet hair. You guys are going to love it. You guys are going to love it. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys. Bye.